Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Today we are going to draw the cupcake house. So let's get begin. First, I draw the cupcake. Then I draw the cake on it.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Now friends, it's time to make the house. So I draw the door first.
In the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, my darling. Wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo.
And then I draw the road.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas.
I draw the flowers here.
Texas 2x2. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love.
Now friends, it's time to add some sprinkles on the cupcake house. Awesome! Now it's time to color the cupcake house. First, I take red. Second, I take purple. For the third, I take yellow. I take light green here.
The King of Spain's daughter
I take light blue.
visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree.
Now I take cherry red color here.
Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear. I said, so fair a princess, never did I see
For the top, I take orange.
all the fruit from my little nut tree.
Then I take dark blue.
I danced o'er the water, I danced o'er the sea, and all the
Light
birds in
pink.
the air couldn't catch me.
Dark pink. Now I take yellow. I color the door with the shade of green.
There I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been?
I color the zebra crossing with yellow and black.
Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair.
Now friends, it's time to color the big garden with green.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Then I'm going to color the flowers. Orange, dark blue, red, green, and light pink. Now friends, I take the black marker to make the diagram more visible and vibrant. Bye bye.